how he wants to present himself for election as chairman of NRM, flag bearer of NRM, how he wants to compete for presidency of Uganda in the next elections. Well, those are his decisions, and I have nothing to do with those. However, our method of work does not involve that type of conduct. Neither the party nor the National Electoral Commission has announced the dates for the elections. I therefore do not think it is proper for the Right Honourable Mbabazi to waste your time with that premature electioneering. Those are issues that should be handled within the parties, within the NRM especially, at the right time. However, he said somewhere else that the country is tired, nursing a tired nation. Well, Right Honourable Mbabazi has been at the center of our system all these years. He was in the security services, he was in the parliament, he was Minister of Security for a long time, he was Secretary General of the party, and eventually he was Prime Minister. Now, the weaknesses which are there, which I am the one who is always criticizing those weaknesses. For instance, the weakness of school charges in spite of the UPE. These are weaknesses that should be supervised by the Prime Minister and other leaders. The issue of being tired, some sectors which are tired, the issue of corruption, the issue of all the other weaknesses that I know very well and I always talk about. Right Honourable Mbabazi was our Secretary General for almost 10 years. So, and that's why I moved that we amend the Constitution and we have a full-time Secretary General. On the issue of monitoring the government system and reinvigorating it and monitoring, that is the job of the Prime Minister, a position which he occupied for some years.